Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch and set its time. First, ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is active, then download the correct companion app for your specific watch model. Also, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery charge to avoid interruptions. Keeping your devices close will help ensure a smooth, quick connection from the start. Now, open the companion app on your smartphone and look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. The app will scan for nearby smartwatches, then you should see your watch appear in the list. Select your model and confirm the pairing request that appears on both your phone and your watch screen. This securely links your devices together. Once your smartwatch is successfully paired, it usually automatically synchronizes its time from your connected smartphone. The companion app works in the background to keep this updated, so ensure your phone's date and time settings are perfectly accurate. After pairing, give it just a few seconds. The correct time should then appear on your watch face without any further action from you. In some situations, you might need to manually adjust your watch's time, especially if the automatic sync isn't working as expected. To do this, open your companion app and find the time settings or date and time menu. You may first need to toggle off any automatic time synchronization feature. Then, you can precisely set the hour, minute, and date fields to match your desired time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.